bike check. We have Aaron Ross Odyssey hand grips with the Odyssey parings. We have stock handlebars, stock Eastern handlebars, stock Eastern stem. We have the Shadow Conspiracy Creeper Forks Curb Monkey front tire with the Dance Comp Street and Trails tube in there. Stock rim. We got stock crank, and we got Eastern CFRP pedals, I think. I don't know. But they broke right there. Gorilla glued them, and they're pretty sturdy. Again, Shadow Conspiracy Screamer sprocket. Scooters lasted like a month or so. We got the KMC Crazy Chain. We got the Eastern Night Lost frame. I like it. I like the shape. Stock seat. Got this tire I had him throw on at Blood Sweat Gears in Denver. And the Dance Pump Street and Trails tube in there. They're really good and thick. They hold up for a while. You guys should get them. I recommend them. And yep, that's my bike.